A set of rectangular storage dishes in 3 sizes, perfect for keeping your kitchen organized. Includes 3-cup rectangular glass storage containers with lids, 6-cup rectangular glass storage containers with lids and 11-cup rectangular glass storage container with lid. Durable high-quality tempered glasses dishwasher, freezer, microwave and preheated oven safe. Non-porous glass won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. BPA-free secure fit plastic lids are freezer, microwave and top rack dishwasher safe. 2-year limited warranty on glass and plastic lids. Made in the USA. With small, medium and large glass rectangular storage dishes, this set has just what you need for easy organizing in pantry, fridge or freezer. Durable, pure Pyrex glass stands up to the microwave and dishwasher use after use, and because it's stain and odor resistant, it stays clean and preserves your food's fresh flavors. Includes 3-cup rectangular glass storage containers with lids, 6-cup rectangular glass storage containers with lids and 11-cup rectangular glass storage container with lid. Top reviews from the United States. Mostly A-okay. Listing is a bit misleading, at least to yours truly, Mr. Dum Dum. It says 10-piece set, which would imply I would get 10 Pyrex containers and 10 lids to those corresponding containers. The listing does detail that it is 5 lids and 5 containers, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Trying to save anyone else from making the same mistake. It's a regular soda lime, not borosilicate, glass container from Pyrex. They do not withstand thermal shock, real hot to real cold and vice versa, as well as the borosilicates ones of yore, but are relatively better at withstanding physical shock, knocks, bumps, drops etc. Not saying it won't break when you drop it, just saying the probability is relatively lower. My lid lip came a little crimped, probably due to the way it was packed, or manufacturing, but it should fix itself after a couple of heat cycles. However, it doesn't affect the leak performance or ingress performance of the vessel.